Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Now before going to start our work, first I will tell you today's moral lesson. And moral lesson is speak gently. Speak gently means बेटा you should be very much polite in your conversation. जब आप एक दूसरे से बात करें अपने बिहेवियर को अपने वे को बहुत पोलाइट रखें, बहुत धीमी लहजे से एक दूसरे से बात करें और दूसरे को भी बोलने का मौका दें, किसी के ऊपर शाउट ना करें. यू शुड बी वेरी मच जेंटल इन योर टॉकिंग. ओके, सो यू शुड बी very much polite in your conversation. Speak gently. Okay, now this is your English period and I'm your English teacher. Today we will revise our two concepts, this and that, and then his or her. Okay, you can see we use this for close things, like this is a girl, and we use that 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 for away things, like that is a dog. Okay, and now come towards the use of his and her. Now you can see there is a boy and there is a girl. They are holding balloons. The boy is holding a blue balloon and the girl is holding a green balloon. Now we will use for the things of the girls her, her, her. Her balloon is green. And we use for the things of the boys his. His balloon is blue. Now come towards our today's work, and our topic is reading, and then we will do classwork of page number 57 and 59. Okay beta, now you will take out your English primer A. This is your primer A. Open page number 57 first. This is your page number 57. First you will read the heading COPY, copy, AND and copy, and WRITE, write. You will first copy the dotted letters as you will trace them, and then you will write on the next lines. Look at the first picture. This is a picture of a boy. Now look at this THIS, this. You will trace this line. This is HADI, Hadi. This is Hadi. Now he is holding a pen in his hand. That's why we will use this. This is his pen, PEN, pen. You will trace this line. And next line, look at the third line. You will write this line by yourself. The picture is given of a cup. Look at this. Now the cup is away from the boy. That's why we will write here THAT, that. That is his CUP, cup. And you will start the sentence with the capital letter. T will be capital. Then you will give one finger gap between each word. And after completing the sentence, you will put a full stop. Now come down at the next line. There is a picture of a dog. Now you will trace this line. THAT, that is his dog. Okay. Now you will write on the next line by yourself like this. THAT, that, one finger gap, IS, and then one finger gap, HIS, his, that is his, KEY, key. What are the spellings of key? KEY, key. Then you will put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Now you will come down. There is a picture of a girl. Trace this line. This is Sarah, SARA, Sarah. What is her name? Sarah. Okay. Now come at the next line. This is her, HER, her. Now we are talking about the things of the girl, but we will use here her, HER, her. This is her book, BOOK, book. You will trace this line also. Now come at the third line. We will write it by ourselves like this. THIS, this, ISS, HER, her. This is her, JUG, jug. Then you will put a full stop. This is her jug. Now come down, there is a picture of a cat and a hen. Now these are away from the girl, that's why we will use here THAT, that. Now trace this line, that is HER, her, CAT, cat. That is her cat. Now you will write on the next line by yourself like this, THAT, that is HER, her, HEN, hen. That is her hen. Now you will complete your full page like this. Now beta open page number 59 and look at the heading READ, read. First we will read these sentences. Now look at the first picture. This is RAHIM, Rahim. This is the picture of a Rahim and he is a fisherman because he is holding a fish and a net. This is his net, N-E-T, net. Now come at the next picture. This is his STICK, stick. This is his stick. Okay, now you can see this picture. There is a boy and girl also. They are holding different things. Now we will read the names of these things, then we will write and complete the sentences. Okay, look at the first word, NET, net, STICK, stick. Number 3 is POT, pot. Number 4 is FISH, fish. Number 5, DOLL, doll. And number 6 is BAG, bag. Okay, beta, now look here. We will write on these lines. Now the dotted letters words are given. We will trace them. Like at the first line, this you will trace IS. Then we will write the name of the boy. Look at this. This is a picture of Ali. ALI, Ali. Ali is a boy. And then we will write about his things. Okay. Now first trace this is. Then you will give one finger gap and write Ali with capital A because name starts with the capital letter. Okay. And then you will put a full stop like this. This is Ali. Now come at the next line. Trace this, then is. Then you will give one finger gap and write HIS, his, because we are talking about the things of the boy. Then you will give one finger gap and write POT, pot. This is his pot. Now come at the third line. Trace this. Then you will write trace is. And then you will write HIS, his. And then give one finger gap and write FISH, fish, and put a full stop. Okay. Now we will talk about the things of a girl. What is the name of this girl? HUMA, Huma. This is Huma. Now you will trace this, then is, and then give one finger gap and write HUMA, Huma. H will be capital and then you will put a full stop. Okay, now come down. There is a bag. Now we are talking about the things of a girl. Now trace this, THIS, this. Give one finger gap, IS, then give one finger gap and write HER, her. Because we are talking about the things of a girl, we use here her. Now give one finger gap and write BAG, bag. This is her bag. Now come at number 3 sentence. Trace this, then is. Now give one finger gap and write HER, her. Now you will give one finger gap and write DOLL, doll. This is her doll. Okay. Now you will complete your full page like this. You will write date, C.W, and then you will start your writing. Okay. And I think all of you have understood clearly that how you will do these 2 pages. Okay. Take care and Allah Hafiz till the next class.